talk about how to manage teams in BluHorn. In our system, you can create teams of people in your agency. These teams can then be assigned to specific clients in the system. This is a way for you to limit access to specific clients for your agency users in BluHorn. To use this function, you need to be an agency admin on your account. First, you need to set up your users so they're able to be used by the team function. Go to Agency and Users in the left-hand menu. Here, under Enable Team Filtering, toggle to On to make any user able to be added to a team in BluHorn. Next, to create a team, go to Agency in the main left-hand menu and select Teams. If you currently have any teams in your agency, they will show here. You can edit existing teams by clicking on the pencil icon. To create a new team, click Add a New Team. Give the team a name, then select from existing users to add to this team and click Add. You'll be taken back to the list of teams where you should be able to see the new team you've created. Now, you can go to any client you have saved in the system by navigating to Clients in the main left-hand menu and clicking All Clients. Search for and select the client you'd like to add the team to, and click the pencil icon to edit that client's information. Under Client Information, select the team that you'd like to have access to this client under Assigned To, and click Save. You can also add individuals to clients as well. Teams are just a way to give groups of people access at once, quickly, easily, and efficiently, making it easier for you to manage your business. If you need some additional help, click the life raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to create a support ticket. A trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. Want to see more video tutorials just like this one? Head over to bluhorn.com/videos for an online knowledge base of video tutorials where you can learn about BluHorn on demand.